Hi everyone, I'm Garrett with the Nevada Division of Minerals, and this is part 2 of our mineral education series. In this video, I'll be looking at 5 common minerals and showing you what we use them for on a daily basis. Our first mineral we'll be looking at is quartz. Quartz is composed of the chemical elements silicon and oxygen, SiO2. It can display a wide range of colors depending on its chemical impurities and other factors. It has a hardness of 7 on the Mohs scale of hardness, making it a relatively hard mineral. Now remember, hardness in mineralogy means a mineral's ability to resist scratching, not how hard it is to smash that mineral or to break it apart. Quartz is much less hard than diamond and less hard than topaz, but harder than orthoclase feldspar. Well, quartz is used for a variety of things. Typically, it's mined from silica-rich or quartz-rich sand deposit or weakly cemented sandstone. And quartz-rich sand is used to make glass, from glass bottles to windows to telescopes and camera lenses. It's also used as an abrasive in things like sandpaper and in sandblasting. Quartz that is colorless and high purity can be used in oscillators in radios and watches, and some common gemstones are actually quartz, like amethyst and citrine. The chemical element silicon can be extracted from quartz and used in creating a variety of metal alloys, including steel and alloys of aluminum. It can be used to make lubricants and resins, and it can be used to make semiconductors and silicon chips in electronics. Quartz-rich sand is mined in southern Nevada near the town of Overton, and Nevada shipped over 715,000 tons of silica sand in 2018. The next mineral we have is calcite. Calcite has the chemical formula calcium carbonate, or CaCO3. It also displays a variety of color and has a hardness of 3 on the Mohs scale, which is less hard than a copper penny, but harder than a human fingernail. Calcite is used in making antacids to treat acid indigestion and upset stomach. It's used as the base of many toothpastes. Its powdered form is gritty, but not so hard as to scratch your teeth. It helps scrub away food and plaque. Calcite is also used in construction to make cement for highways, sidewalks, bridges, and building foundations. The element calcium extracted from calcite is important for bone health and is added to vitamins and foods. It's also very important in agriculture as a fertilizer and soil conditioner, and in the creation of various metal alloys, glass, rubber, and paint. And chemical lime, which is created from calcite, has many commercial and industrial uses, like lowering the acidity of water. Over 3.25 million tons of limestone, a rock mined for its high calcite content, was mined or quarried across Nevada in 2018. Next we have gypsum. Gypsum is hydrated calcium sulfate, or CaSO4 2H2O. It's typically colorless to white, but it can display different colors, and it has a hardness of 2, so it's softer than your fingernail. Gypsum is the primary ingredient used in sheetrock or drywall that lines your home. It is used as a soil conditioner in agriculture. It can be used in the cement making process. It's also used as an ingredient in some toothpaste. It's used to condition water, to control the tartness in wines. It's put in bread dough to cut down on stickiness, and it's a filler in ice cream, some canned goods, and other foods. Nevada produced nearly 3.4 million tons of gypsum in 2018. Next we have the mineral barite. Barite has the chemical formula BaSO4, or barium sulfate. It can display a wide range of colors, and it has a hardness of 3, which again is a little bit harder than your fingernail, but not as hard as a copper penny. Barite is commonly used as a weighting agent in many substances. It makes them heavier. Examples of this include drilling fluids used in mineral or oil, natural gas, and geothermal borings and wells, some rubbers, cloths, and papers. It's used to give weight to playing cards and bowling balls. It can be used in cements and paints to shield X-ray radiation in hospitals and laboratories. And the chemical element barium, derived from the mineral barite, is sometimes used in a liquid you may need to drink when getting an X-ray of your upper or lower gastrointestinal tract. In 2018, Nevada produced over 450,000 tons of barite from mines all across north central Nevada. And lastly, we'll take a look at the mineral halite. Halite has the chemical formula NaCl, or sodium chloride. It is typically colorless, but it can be white, yellow, red, purple, or blue, and it has a hardness of 2.5, so just about as hard as your fingernail. Halite is the tastiest mineral, I like to say. You likely eat some of it every day. It's what you have in the salt shaker on your kitchen table. Halite is table salt. It's used to flavor your food, but also to make ice cream and to melt snow and ice in cold weather climates. In 2018, Nevada shipped nearly 20,000 tons of salt, produced from the Huck Salt operation near Fallon. Well, that's all for today. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to check out our website or any of the links listed in the comments below for more information. Check back in for our next video, and we'll see you soon.